Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disabled TikTok account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've recently deactivated your account and you'd like to know how you can fix the disabled account and get it working back again, then simply log into your TikTok account. Open up your TikTok app and from the main homepage, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, click the login button at the bottom and select the option that you used while creating your TikTok account or signing up for it. In my case, since I chose phone, email or username option, let me tap the first. Now, you can either type in your phone number or the email or your username that you created while signing up for TikTok and make sure to enter the credential for the same TikTok you've recently disabled. Select one of the options and type in your credentials and tap the send code button. Enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your mobile number or your email. After entering the 6-digit number, you'll receive this message that says, if you'd like to reactivate your TikTok account, simply tap the reactivate button at the bottom and that way you can simply enable the disabled TikTok account on your iPhone. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.